Hai traveler, saat ini gue ada di Cagliari, Italy. Lihat di sini. Setelah naik perjalanan sangat panjang, akhirnya kita sampai di atas.
Cagliari is municipality in Sardinia Island, Italy. This hilltop citadel is Cagliari the most iconic image, its domes, tower, and palazzi.
Cagliari, Italy.
Traveler, I would like to share to you about Italian cuisine dessert name. Yes, 5 of them I will tell you: tiramisu, cannoli, panna cotta, crostata, semi-freddo. If traveler know more than me, please write on comment below. Alright. If we talk about Italian cuisine dessert, I would like to take some sweet. I believe everyone knows gelato. Gelato is a popular frozen dessert of Italian origin.
Saat ini gue sedang berada di depan toko es krim Cremet Gelateria Artigianale. Kayak gelato es krim gitu.
This ice cream shop is located in Piazza Iene, street number 22.
Hola. Cremet Lab. Sini langsung ada labnya nih.
He's a blogger.
Oh, wow.
What's your name?
Carla.
Where are you from?
I'm from here, from Sardinia.
Sardinia. Cagliari.
Yes.
Guess. Guess I'm from where?
I don't know.
Indonesia, Bali.
Really?
Yeah. What is the recommendation?
I can suggest you tiramisu.
No, not tiramisu. I don't.
No.
Chocolate.
Chocolate, sake, gardulla. Or this one.
Big ice cream.
Chocolate.
Vanilla. You have vanilla?
We have fior di latte. It's milk.
Vanilla with?
It's not vanilla. It's just milk. Without milk.
One thing I love this place because this place has their own lab. Means they make their own ice cream by itself.
Tell me about ice cream.
Ice cream is amazing.
Amazing. Creme de Giuliano. Made by Angeli. Carla.
Yeah?
Carla.
Tell me.
Traveler, gelato is healthier than ice cream because it's less sugar, fewer calories, and lower fat content.
Google, just Google or Facebook, We have our
Siang ini masih di Cagliari, Italy. Cagliari, main city of Sardinia Island. Gue sempet kesini 3 tahun lalu, nggak banyak yang berubah. Jadi di sini habis makan es krim, cuma lihat ada shopping mall. Nice flower.
The best time to visit Sardinia is from April to June, when the flowers are bloomed, the sea water and temperature are warm.
Es krim lagi. Kali aja ada tuh keren ya.
Kita final day yow.
Sunday cost living in Cagliari is about 2,500 euro for one family. It's like 4 person. And for single person, monthly cost 680 euro. Both are without rent. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, comment and share my channel, and do put your comment on below. I will show you more places with learning local and discovery. See you on the next video.